How to complete of lambs and wolves in Diablo 4. Hello everyone. In today's video, I will walk you through the exact steps to complete lambs and wolves. Firstly, let's see starting the quest. You can start of lambs and wolves after completing the epilogue of the main story or by creating a new seasonal character with the campaign skip option. Travel to Zarbinzit. Head to Zarbinzit, located in the central southern part of the map. Speak with Captain Syrska to initiate the quest. Locate the house. Lochran's house is in the western part of the Ymer Plateau. Look for a large green circle on your map to guide you to the vicinity. Interact with the door. Approach the reinforced door of the house. If you encounter issues interacting with it, teleport back to town and return, or look out and back in to refresh the quest state. You should hear a voice say, "I saw the weak made strong," when you approach the door. Inside the house, meet Istel. Once inside, you will meet Istel, who will explain the seasonal mechanics and initiate a ritual. Participate in the ritual. You will need to defeat 2 enemies summoned during the ritual. The first is a smaller enemy, followed by a larger elite demon. Collect Mother's Gift. After defeating the demons, you will receive a Mother's Gift, which is crucial for progressing in the seasonal content. Complete the quest. Speak to Istel to collect your rewards, and then talk to Lochran to officially complete the quest. This will also unlock the seasonal reward track associated with Mother's Gifts. Completing of lambs and wolves that introduces to seasonal mechanics. That's it for the video.